Hey, before we start the video, make sure you smash that like right now, thumbs up wherever you're watching it on, and share this out. There's always a share, a way to share it. Help us out. Leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed or followed us, do it now. Thank you. Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you with another unboxing, and we're here talking about B2 Audio, who recently got back in the USA. This way you can see it before you buy it. This is designed in Denmark and was here a few years back, did very well, and now we have it back, B2 Audio USA. Here's a product that has never been here. It is the RAGE-5000. Now, make sure you hit that like button, share this out, and leave a comment when we're done. Let me know what we did good, what we did bad, what you'd like to see in the future. But here's a cool fact about this one. This is like a smart amp. So 1 ohm and 2 ohm, if you have impedance rise, you're still gonna get your 5,000 watts, which is cool. So this does help out because pretty much everything has impedance rise. This is the RAGE-5000. All right, so first thing is you have a Cat 5 type cable. And the reason for that is because you have a very nice bass knob, which will show you voltage, temp, clipping, all right there. So this is a really nice feature. You'll get yourself a pamphlet. It does have high to low input plugs, but I don't know how many people are gonna be doing that directly to a 5,000 watt amp, but it is there. And then of course you get a caution in here. Pretty much letting everybody know to not run it under 1 ohm. You will void the warranty. But any product bought through the B2 Audio USA site or Big Jeff Audio sites, you will get a free CPS card, which is an extended warranty for 2 years. Which means no matter what, you're covered. They will repair and or replace. So that is a awesome thing. We're doing something new and was never done before for this brand. You do have some Allen wrenches for the power and also the speaker, and some basic screws, but I'm sure you'll want to use something different. Go ahead and get this bad boy out of here. Okay, first thing you can notice, it does have dual inputs for the power and ground, and it does give you an output for your remote turn on, which is kind of cool. So you can go in here, use this as a relay, and go out from there if you have multiple devices. On the other side, right away you notice Tiffany style RCA, so they ain't cut no corners there. And it looks like you can do 8 gauge speaker outputs. And again, it shows 1 ohm or 2 ohm right on here, which is really cool. Impedance rise is something we just have to deal with, and having circuitry built like this, you don't have to deal with that. Okay, so next to the Tiffany style RCAs, I'm gonna grab the Big Jeff cam.
Big Jeff cam activated.
And there you can get a close-up. Okay, so we have high pass, low pass, gain, and level. So the first question will be is, why is there a high pass, low pass? Well, this is a full range amplifier. Yes, so it can do your loudspeakers and or your subwoofers. And then you have a gain, and then you have a 0 dB to 12 dB level, kind of like a bass boost. There is a power and a clip light on here. You could see, we'll put this back. This is in a nice white amp, as it's always come. This is the RAGE-5000. Let's look at the size. Okay, so we'll go from the end of the terminals there to the end of these terminals here. And about 15 1/4. And obviously you would need some room for your wires to come out. The height of the amplifier is just under 3 inches. And we'll do width from the mounting, which is just over 9 inches, like 9 1/8. Okay, so decent sized amp. Let's take a look at the bottom here. So it does have venting at the bottom, and This is just under where it's mounted, so there is still a little room for the air to get out, but always recommend maybe gapping the amplifier up. Also, on the side of this amp, we have 2 fans, which will do a push-pull system to keep this thing cool. And let's go ahead and pop this off and take a look at the circuitry. We are going to bust the warranty seal, but this will still be covered, and all of the product is being shipped with a 2-year extended and accidental coverage warranty through CPS, which will either try to repair first with one of the amp repair guys, and if not, then we'll replace it for you. Okay, so we got those off. Let me grab another kind of a flathead to pop this up properly. Not damage. Okay, perfect. So we have that off. I'm going to take the big Jeff cam again so you guys can get a close-up. First thing you can notice, this thing is very clean. Red board. Again, I've never claimed to be an amp engineer. Hopefully some of you can leave some comments about this. But this thing is very clean inside. I've looked at a lot of boards. Couple different things. I've never seen coils done this way. Not really sure if that makes a difference, but we will get some input as we learn more about the brand. We also have 200 volt, 2200 UF. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those, and then MOSFETs are layered up. You have your fans. So if you want to leave in the comments and help us out a little bit, tell us what you see. We plan to have the actual engineer and designer Jay on some coming up Big Sound by Big Jeff podcast, and we can actually relate back to this video and he can explain some of this. Okay, so this is the RAGE-5000, which will do that at 1 and or 2 ohm. I'm actually gonna sign, I'm not into signing product, but I'm gonna sign that. Okay, I'm gonna sign that on the bottom so they'll know this was used in the video and will not void the warranty. But with the extended warranty, doesn't even matter because you would contact after 31 days. You have to wait 30 days minimum. The 31st day, you make a claim with CPS. And you have 2 years extended. It's not just extended warranty, which normally you have to wait till the warranty is up, like 1 or 2 years. It is a warranty that starts after 31, and it is also for accidental, which means if you did something accidentally, it would be covered. So that's going to be an added plus on all these amplifiers and or subwoofers. Really cool. So RAGE-5000, Denmark, bringing the brand back, excited. Probably by the time you can see this unboxing, we already started some giveaways because that's how we do it here at Big Jeff Audio. You can catch this on bigjeffaudio.com or also directly at b2audiousa.com. And either way, you're going to get your extended warranty. Listen, I'm excited about this brand. We're going to get more in depth and learn more about it. And over time, we're going to be bringing in more and more products. We are in the process of designing some new ones that'll be coming in very shortly to take this brand, which is decently popular, if not very popular in Europe, back to the US, who seemed to have a huge following years back. And we're going to start it back over again. So we got an unboxing today. This is B2 Audio, the RAGE-5000. It is a smart amp, so it's rated at 1 and 2 ohm. We will get you a dyno done very soon. Okay, hey, it's Big Jeff. We got the RAGE-5000 on here, and I didn't want to hook it up to a static ohm load. And I wanted to show that this is a smart amp that'll produce the power at 1 ohm or 2 ohm. So I have some massive audio Hippo XLs down here that'll handle this beast. I'm using just a cheap old deck, and we have the SMD running. Okay, I want you to switch to the Big Jeff cam. Okay, we're switched to the Big Jeff cam. Okay, can you see we're sitting at 2 ohms right now, and I'm just going to slowly turn this thing up. Okay, so we're not even hitting clipping. Okay, so we're not even hitting clipping, and we're hitting those 5,000 watt at 2 ohm. Let me get another track going here. We're not even going to do a 40 hertz or anything. And let's see if we can even get it clipping. Not even clipping. 5,000 watts, no problem. We're not even maxing this thing out, man. We're just running regular old music. No problem at all. 2 ohms. Hitting 5,000 watts. Put this on a static. Or even better yet, if we tune this, if we go ahead and get this thing clipping, and I'm just gaining it by hand and by eye, 5,000 watts, no problem at all. We'll do this again, and I think we're going to hit something big. I think we're going to hit well over 6,000 on it because, man, regular music, just from speakers at 2 ohm, that amp is doing that power. That's the RAGE-5000.